You know where he is?
Hey.
That's over here on the right.
Yeah, I know. I can't really peek him though.
Yeah. Hey, he's here. My brother. That was hot. Hit. I know if a grenade got you or not.
I almost did. I thought it come running and fly. I said, oh shit, so I got behind the thing and it hit right here and went everywhere. You can see where BBs are.
Yep. So we're set up for an ambush. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stack it. I'm gonna go one cover. You watch. When you come back up to me, you keep going past me, and I'll cover you. We'll keep going back up. You just watch it closely.
Oh, just sit tight. Don't move.
Because they're waiting on us.
No.
I'm ready to go after them. Time to get on the clock. You good? You good? Oh gosh. Oh no.
Oh dude, it broke.
It broke.
You're not doing that whole time.
Man, wait on you all down there.
What do you mean? Look, this side pushes across every time. Gotta camp a little.
What? And where'd you trip over?
I guess down right there. You can see where my foot hit. Right there. Well, I ate it.
Oh, well. You did.
Actually, I think that's where your foot hit right there.
Cut that middle. Right out! Austin down! Woo!
Is utter garbage to push on.
You scared me, I ain't gonna lie.
Well,
I didn't think to see.
oh.
I'm like, holy crap, there's Austin. How's he not see me?
I wasn't looking that way.
All right. You good? My.
Oh, okay. I thought we did for you.
Want to try?
We can stay at that push.
I'm about to say if they don't push, let's just see if we can make it across that bridge. Suppress on somebody run across.
Alright.
I kind of want to see if we can do it. He says nobody can. Ain't nothing impossible. Just sit out here and watch. I'm back here waiting a bit. Oh gosh, about fell. About fell. He's at that orange one. See, man, I keep thinking that bridge is right there, if it's right there.
Yeah, I think it's right here too, but it's
So, I'm going to hook left right here with these cedar trees. Let's see.
One barricade right there.
Okay.
All black move.
You on that orange one?
Yep.
Still.
Pretty sure he is. What's your brother? I've lost him.
I'm going to say he's going to be somewhere right there. Probably that big tree where the wood is. Wood plate is. I'm going to say you're going up north. So your best bet's that dog right there, if you can get to it.
If I get across and I shoot him, I can get behind that brush.
Yeah, if I can get across that brush, if I can give you suppressive fire over here, if they start shooting at you, just try to keep their heads down.
Maybe I won't fall.
Please don't. Ready? Alright, let me make up. Oh, we'll take a tree down. I'm gonna try going that left one over there. I'm gonna try to dive in.
Oh, hold it. Last night.
My brother's watching hard.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Alright. Fast lightning. Grease lightning, boy. Ready?
Yep.
Ah. My brother got my pets pretty good. Where's Austin at?
Where's your brother at?
About in the middle right there where those big barricades are. My brother's hit. Yeah. Alright. See? Push back, push back. He's on that orange one standing up right there by itself.
Hello, my mama.
Hey, what's that mama, boys?
I want to go home.
I'm gonna lost your partner, boy. Step his car now. I about fell again. I thought you just fell.
I thought he did.
I was thinking about doing the same thing, but I was shooting over. I was feeling the same spot. Yep.
Don't shoot me, Austin. Mama ain't shot. Y'all know how they say
Yeah.
see light we die?
Yeah.
I can't see it. Come on back in.
Yeah.